In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Copper CRM. Custom fields let you tailor Copper to match your process, capture the exact data you need, and improve reporting and automation. First, open your browser and search for Copper CRM. Click the official Copper result to head to the site, then sign into your account. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. Next, go to your workspace settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section called Manage Fields on Records. This is the control center for adding and organizing the data points that appear on your records. Choose the tab for the record type you want to customize. You can add fields to people, companies, pipelines, or opportunities and tasks. Think about where the information belongs. Contact-related attributes fit under people. Company-level details go under companies. Sales-specific inputs belong with opportunities, and operational notes can live on tasks. Now create your field. Click the Create Field or Add Field button. If you don't see it, you might need the right permissions from your admin. Select the field type that best matches your data. Text is flexible for short notes or IDs. Drop-down is perfect when you want a single, consistent choice, which also improves reporting. Multi-select captures multiple tags or categories. Date stores a specific day, like a renewal date. Currency helps keep monetary values consistent. And a Connect field links this record to another record type, maintaining relationships without duplicate data. Give the field a clear, user-friendly label. Aim for names your team will instantly understand and keep them concise to avoid clutter on the record. If you plan to use this field in workflow automations or integrations, provide a field key. This is a permanent, unique identifier behind the scenes. Choose a stable, descriptive key, something like renewal date or customer tier. And remember that it's hard to change later, so get it right up front. When everything looks good, click Save to finalize. That's it. Your new field is added to the selected record type. As a tip, add a sample record entry later to confirm the field behaves as expected and keep your naming consistent across record types for clean reports. Quick recap. Search for Copper, sign in, open Workspace Settings, go to Manage Fields on Records, pick your record type, create the field, choose the right type, add a clear label, set a field key if needed, and save. You've just customized Copper to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy building.